What's up, internet? I know it's been a minute since we've been on. We had a little trouble with the YouTube channel and YouTube. That's none of these companies you're about to see. We are not affiliate linked with them. We are not partnership with them. If you buy anything from these companies, we do not make a dime. Sometimes on a channel you'll see someone say, well, hey, I got you a discount and here's the link. What they're doing is they're hoping you use that link and they'll make money off of you for buying it. Now, I have nothing against them doing that. We just don't do it. These companies are sponsors. They believe in what the channel is doing. They believe in honesty. So maybe you'll see something you want to get. Maybe you don't. Maybe you can't afford it. Doesn't matter. If you can buy anything from these companies, I will personally put my name on. You will be treated right, and most likely you will like the product that you get. And if you don't, they will probably work very hard to make sure that you are happy in the long run. We want to thank our emailing list. We're getting up there 6,000. I want to thank DuckDuckGo because we send our videos right to them and they put them on satellite. So actually the numbers on YouTube really doesn't matter to us one way or another. We hope you enjoy this video and we'll see you real soon.
I'm your huckleberry.